Guys, welcome. This is Tracy. Today we are going to square this binomial. So we're squaring binomial. So I'm gonna rewrite this. So I'm gonna have 4x to the fifth plus y to the fourth times 4x to the fifth plus y to the fourth. The same thing. Guys, someone made it out that the x before, so you could write the x like that, or you could do that. So I'm going to do the FOIL method. I'm going to try to do this really quick. So I'm going to multiply my 4x to the fifth by 4x to the fifth. So that's going to be 4x to the fifth times 4x to the fifth. Then I'm going to multiply my 4x to the fifth with y to the fourth. So that's going to be plus 4x to the fifth times y to the fourth. Now I'm going to use my y to the fourth. So plus y to the fourth times 4x to the fifth. And then my y to the fourth times y to the fourth. So y plus y to the fourth. I'm going to erase this one. So camera focus, plus y to the fourth times y to the fourth. So we're going to put it all together. When I multiply 4x to the fifth times 4x to the fifth, I'm going to be left with 4 times 4 is 16x. And because we're multiplying and we have the same base, we're going to add the exponents. So that's 16x to the 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus, we have 4x to the fifth times y to the fourth. So it's just like you're saying 1y. They are two different variables, so you cannot add the exponents. So by 4 times 1 is 4, x to the fifth, y to the fourth. Plus the same thing here, y to the fourth times 4x to the fifth is going to be 4x to the fifth, y to the fourth. And the last two is plus y. They both have the same base, and the variable, so is y times y is going to be y squared plus 4. No, I'm sorry. That's not true. Y to the fourth times y to the fourth is going to be y, because 1 times 1 is 1. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Same base. Same base. And you add the exponents when you multiply. Right? So y to the 8th. So that's how we multiply. Let's look for like terms. So I have 16x to the 10th. I'm going to bring that down. 16x to the 10th. Guys, you see how easily mistake could make? Because I was like, y times y is y squared, forgetting it's y to the fourth power. Right? So y to the fourth power multiplied by y to the fourth power is 1y times 1y is going to give you back 1y, and then the exponents, you add them because it's the same base, so you add the exponents when you multiply y to the 8th. So now I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 16x to the 10th, I'm bringing it back down, plus I have a 4x to the 5th plus a 4x to the 5th, y fourth, y fourth. So I'm going to add these together. So 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm going to replace my x to the 5th, and I'm going to replace my y to the 4th. And then I have plus y to the 8th. Nothing to add with that. There's nothing else you could combine. So your final answer is 16x to the 10th plus 8x to the 5th power, y to the 4th, plus y to the 8th. And there you go. This is y to the 4th, y to the 4th, and that's a plus. Thank you.